helping animals gets the recognition it deserves.
Oh, we've had so many cuddle bunnies on the show today.
Yeah, speaking of which.
Yeah, Ellie Wagner's in Santee. She's got more actual bunnies.
That's a big rabbit, Allie.
What's up, Doc? Yeah, this is, I'm sorry, Jessica, how big is the, like, how heavy is he? Because usually, right, like...
So he's part Flemish giant rabbit, and he's weighing in around 10 pounds now.
That's pretty big for a rabbit. I'm going to say that right now. So, Jessica's from Zovargo, and I'm going to start with what we are doing here, of course. So, I've got a whole bunch of introductions to give here. And so, I have Annie, who is here. I've got Amanda, who is here this morning. And, Annie, I'm going to start with you. So, tell me about how Animal Bond Academy is really bringing a lot of animal organizations here in San Diego together.
Sure. So Animal Bond Academy is a channel that we have on YouTube, and we have brought organizations like Zovargo and other animal sanctuaries, other animal education programs. We've built this really nice community of people who can share ideas and talk about ways to help the animal community in San Diego County. We're just very honored that groups like Zovargo welcome us into their community as well, and we're able to, the more people that we can get involved in animal welfare and animal education, the better, and we can really spread that information throughout San Diego.
Yeah, and so you guys are connecting people through social media so that then people know about some of these organizations like Zovargo. So Amanda, you founded this, and tell me a little bit about what you guys do.
Sure, yeah. Zovargo is founded on the mission to connect people with animals and hopes to inspire future conservation stewards. So our whole mission is to enlighten folks and inspire folks about conservation and how they can help all kinds of animals, from wildlife you might see in your backyard, like Chap the king snake here, or even pets. Like if you have a Flemish giant rabbit or any other small animal as a pet, how you can be a better pet owner too. Conservation is all of those things: how to exist with wildlife, how to take better care of pets, and then just knowing what habits to do that affect animals throughout the world is an important part of our mission for sure.
Yeah, and so you guys actually bring a lot of these animals, teach a lot of kids about them. It's kind of an opportunity for them to bring the animals to you. And like you say, so something like Animal Bond Academy, because there are so many groups in San Diego, it's a good way for you guys to connect.
Absolutely, yeah. We are all about partnering with other groups in the community, and Animal Bond Academy is a great resource for folks to go to learn more about different other animal groups within the community. So Zovargo is mobile, so we are all about getting out there and bringing the animals and our conservation message to everybody. So we do visit schools, we do many scout programs, and of course one favorite is special family celebrations like birthday parties, anniversaries. We do events for children, but also for adults too. Galas, weddings, you name it, we've been there.
And I would imagine now, post-COVID, things are kind of starting to return to normal, and I'm sure, Annie, that you're seeing that too. I mean, with a lot of these nonprofits and helping them stay on their feet.
Right, absolutely. We started Animal Bond Academy because of COVID, and it was really an opportunity for these groups to show the community, hey, we're still here. Animals are still here. We still need to take care of them. But we were able to get that information out about all of these sanctuaries. But now we're able to really focus on these groups opening up and letting people come onto their property and visit the animals in person.
Love that. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm just going to sit here with Jessica and pet the sweet rabbit Finn. I'll stay away from the snake. I'll hang out over here. This is like the softest, most giant rabbit ever. And back to you guys. Oh, I don't have any carrots. I didn't bring any. Oh, he's so soft and so zen.
I bet.
Easter's coming up. I don't know why I couldn't mention.
So it's Christmas. Thanksgiving too.
Because it's a
Don't forget New Year.
Thanks. Good to know.
Okay, bye.
Bye.